Testing for divisibility. Already you know how to some of the properties, divisibility properties or divisibility rules. You already learned in previous classes, you might be known. And even if you don't know those, how to use some simple techniques to test whether the particular number is divisible by or not, the given number. So the normal, if you notice, if you see the number 2, this is a even number. All the even numbers are divisible by 2, that we know. And if you take the 3, for this is for all the even numbers, and 3 is the sum of the digits. If for 3 is the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. And 2, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So few rules already learned. If you check the 4, for 4 is last to 2 digits, last to 2 digit number, last 2 digits means units place and tens place is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. You know that. Okay, for example, 57,852. So 52 is in 4 table, means this entire number is divisible by 4. Same. And check rule for 5. Rule for 5 is either 0 or 5 should be in the even in the units place. Then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, know that. And for 6, divisibility rule is it should be divisible by 2 and 3. The number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. And similarly, if you notice 8, for 8 rule is, so I'm not telling the rules clearly, already there are videos in my channel same. And if you see for 8, this for last to 3 digits, right? The last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8, any number. And rule for 9 and similar 3 asterisks, and 9 also asterisks. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 10, 9. And 10, this 0 should be in the units place, then that number is divisible by 10. So apart from this, if you notice, for example, 7 also some rules are there. Even if you are unable to do those rules, let me check one simple technique. For example, 5292, 5292. We should check this is divisible by 7 or not. To test is divisible by 7 or not. So directly we can't do it without doing division 7. Randomly we can check it. That means last is 92. Last digit is 2, right? In 7 table, any ending with 2 will get, 7 into 6 is 42. Just you can write 42 and subtract this. So 0, this normal because ending is 2. So in 7 table with the 2 is a 7 6 is 42. Now this is 5 2 5. Just you can strike this. Instead of checking 5292, just you can check with 525 now. Ending with 5. 5 means in 7 table, you know that 7 into 5 is 35. 35 can write, do add this. You can do add or subtract. So I'm adding. So 0 and it is 6, 5. Just you can strike this. Then what we have, 56. Is checking 56 in 7 table? Yes. 7 into 8 is 56. That's it. This number is divisible by 7. So this is one of the technique you can follow. Not only 7, any other number if you take. Okay, let me take one example. For example, 8792. I need to check divisible by 13 or not. So 13 table just in mind and ending with 2. We know that 13 fours are 52, right? 52 you can write. Just do subtracting. Because if you get the zeros in the ending, we can directly cancel the zeros. Because we know 13 into already 4 is equals to 52. This table we know, just you can subtract. So 0, it is 4, 7, 8. So what we should do, just you can strike this. Only in mind 874. 4 it is. For 4 what if you add, will get 0, means 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we know that just 13 into 2 is 26. 26 you can write and just you can do addition also. Then this become 10, again 0, 9. 900 we got. Just you can directly can strike these two zeros, 9. This 9 is in 13 table? No. So this number is not divisible by 13. So this technique can apply by adding or subtracting. If you get the zeros at the units place, by eliminating we can reduce the number. That is one thing, and you can normally you can follow some testing for divisible rules also. Apart from those, this is one of the simple technique you can follow to finding the testing the divisibility rule. Okay, so these are the things we can apply, and next we will see some of the concept. So this is the main few of the things from the divisibility. And for doing divisions also, these are the divisible rules very important you can apply.